Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so what's your name?
So my name is Pranav Upadhyay.
Pranav Upadhyay. So tell me something about yourself, Pranav.
So my name is Pranav Upadhyay. I am 13 years old and currently I am studying in 8th class in Nimla Convent Senior Secondary School, which is located at Kathgodam. I am from Haldwani, which is known as Gateway to Kumaon in Nainital district of Uttarakhand. In my family there are 5 members: my father, my mother, me, my young sister, and my cousin sister. My father is a lecturer in Sanskrit, and my mother is a government teacher. And so my hobbies are to study about modern history, and I am also interested in knowing about space. And my aim in life is to become an army officer.
Okay, great, Pranav. What is the meaning of your name, Pranav?
So the name of my name Pranav is Divine Soul.
Divine Soul. Okay, so you just mentioned that you love to read about modern history.
Yes, sir.
So which part of modern history that you want to correctify? If you have a chance or you have an option to correctify any of the historical things in modern history, which one you actually want to rectify?
So in modern history, I personally dislike when Mahatma Gandhi in February 1922 take over the non-cooperation movement, because if he continued the non-cooperation movement, the India would have gotten its independence earlier. And I would also choose to correct that when Battle of Plassey fought, so that in that place I would change something so that Britisher can't enter.
Okay, so you mean to say that the action of or to stop the Chauri Chaura movement by Gandhiji was not that much good, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am personally doesn't like it.
Okay, so but Gandhiji followed the non-violence kind of things.
Yes, sir.
So that's why he stopped that movement.
Yes, sir.
What's your opinion on that?
So yes, sir, Gandhiji did it right for him because he is against non-violence. So because of Chauri Chaura incident, Gandhiji did it right, but he should have think of a long distance. He should have think of long sight. He should have think that India would have gotten its independence if he would have started not stopped the non-cooperation movement.
Okay, what's your hobby, Pranav?
So my hobbies are to study about history and knowing about space.
Space. Okay, and you want to become?
So I want to become an commissioned army officer.
Okay, great. Why not the other services?
So I think in army is different from others because in army I can experience the diverse feeling of a soldier. I can interact with many places. I will attach with the natural vegetation, and I would learn from different places where my posting will be done.
Okay, why you want to join RMS?
So I think I want to join RMS because my goal to achieve and serve nation from becoming an army officer would be greatly served in RMS because it will prepare me for my upcoming NDA examination.
Great, Pranav. Thank you, Pranav. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Pranav, so you are from Uttarakhand.
Yes.
So tell me something about Uttarakhand.
Sir, Uttarakhand is a very beautiful place and it is very attached with the natural vegetation there. There are many places like Jim Corbett National Parks, Rajaji Tiger Reserve, and it is also a religious place as it is called Devbhumi because there are Kedarnath and Badrinath, every places are there. People are very attachable and can very friendly with others which come from other part of world or India.
Okay, so Pranav, if you are not selected in army or if you are not selected for defense forces, so what would be your plan B?
So if I would be revoked or I would be not selected in any armed forces, I would not leave my dream for like others that I will join IIT. I will instead continue my passion that I will teach students to be clear ND examination. I would become teacher and taught those students in rural area which does not get adequate education.
Okay, so Pranav, you are from Haldwani.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 5 places in Haldwani that I would like to visit.
So in Haldwani, it is a very beautiful place because there are many museums in Haldwani which are very historical, which contain historical things, and there are many food places and many shops are there which are related to the culture of Uttarakhand. Like Uttarakhand is famous for silk saris, and as I said that Haldwani is known as the gateway to Kumaon, then all the cultures of hilly peoples are found in Haldwani only.
Okay, so knowing about space is also your hobby.
Yes, sir.
So, do you think that ISRO is doing a tremendous job, or means if you talk about NASA and talk about other space agencies, so what is your opinion about ISRO? Means is it equivalent to the other countries' space organization, or it is better than NASA or better than any other organization? I'm asking about ISRO.
So firstly, I think that ISRO is doing better job in his own place, because while in 19th century, in the starting of 20th century, many space agencies were always going to space, but ISRO has started, I think late started he has, and I think that ISRO is stepping in his legs towards the exploration towards space, and it is very nice in his own job, because many spaceships and many things are sent by ISRO to the space, and these are good towards the space exploration program. As in 2024, this year, the Gaganyaan program will also be launched in space. So I think ISRO is best in his place, and I would not like to compare with others like NASA, because yes, NASA is very well developed in comparison to ISRO and many other in Russia also, but I think ISRO is better, doing good job in his own field.
Okay, and what is Aditya mission?
So Aditya L1 is a solar mission which will be going to the L1 point, which is near to the sun, to energy, study about the energy which are produced by sun, and to study about sun.
Okay, what do you mean by cryogenic? Cryogenic or cryology?
Cryology, sir, I am not sure, but I think it's the study in a specific temperature. Cryology means that when we are studying about any phenomena in a hot or cold, very hot temperature.
In a very low temperature.
Yes, sir. In a temperature that is different. So this is called cryogenics or cryology.
Okay, what is escape velocity?
So escape velocity is the speed that an object must acquire to escape from the gravitational pull of a planet, especially Earth and Moon and other planet also. That is known as escape velocity.